As we embark on this journey, my intention is not just to provide temporary solutions, but to foster lasting transformations towards a more equitable and sustainable future. My research showed that there is a certain reason for throwing away food. We feel more comfortable throwing out food that's past any printed date on its package and shelling out money for our new grocery haul because we think we might get sick if we eat expired food. In result, we have bought food that is too much, as the survey shows. I strongly assume it comes down to a lack of food management skills, including how to plan meals, store food, cook food, make a meal with an array of random ingredients, and knowing when food is still safe to eat. The reason many of us haven't already worked on improving the skills, according to a magazine, may be that food is readily available in our Western society, so we don't value it as much as we should. But in my opinion, we must. It's a core to a sustainable life. That's why I have decided to develop an application. I want to connect our grocery shopping with the tool we have on us the most, our mobile phones. We already use so many apps a day, and now I want to implement one that helps us track what's in our fridge. To own an application that facilitates these points I just listed will be my project goal. Well, then I made a draft. I needed to have a clear vision of how my app should look like, which function it should have, and how I could customize it for users. And because I have never made an app before, I am teaching programming an app myself. I did research, and I believe with everything that there is on the internet that I will achieve my goals by good research. I really hope. And up till now, I have decided to make my app in the program called Playground. Therefore, I must learn the programming language Swift UI. Because I don't own any Apple devices which I need for this program, I made an application to a library. By using this borrowed device for a few months, I will be able to start coding. I think but it will be a challenge to finish my app within this time period. But for this reason, I am already planning and learning how to code in advance. To be absolutely sure that the future users would understand and support the idea, I wanted to ask them personally. So I presented my idea to my class and my teacher as potential users, and I received pretty good feedback. That was the final push I needed to get started. Creating an app involves not only technical considerations but also ethical ones. I'm thinking about the user's privacy and data collection. In my opinion, privacy should be a prerequisite for the use of any digital platforms. In addition, I am having concerns about the accessibility of my app. Clearly, only people with access to a mobile phone will also have access to the app. But as technology plays an increasingly significant role in our shaping life, I have no doubt that this app will fulfill its purpose for the right and targeted group of individuals.